What's up YouTube, it's John from Pure RC, and today we have Xiang.
Welcome to the channel where you can watch me fly. We never film our flight reviews because that would be a lie. What you see is what you get, and hopefully you'll see something you'd also like to fly right here on Pure RC.
Right there, that's what we're flying today. It's a pretty cool little Huey, Coast Guard Huey. Doors open up on it. I have never flown this one at all, so we're both going to get to see how this works today. We're going to pull the sticks down and out, and there it goes. The helicopter started up, so here we go. Well, that's unusual. That was full stick up. That's how long it took to take off, and it was doing some weird crap. This is full speed and low rates. It's a quiet little helicopter. That's kind of cool. But you're not going to win any races with this little sucker in low rates. Alright, this is a GPS helicopter, which is cool. So we're gonna make sure it's in GPS. Alright, we're in GPS now. Let's see how it holds its location. I just let off the sticks. There it is. Looks pretty solid. It's not moving around too much. No hands on the controller. We do have some altitude loss, and we're going full pitch forward, so I have to get a little throttle, or collective, as you might want to call it, but everybody knows what I'm talking about when I say throttle. We'll put it in high rates, and we're going to leave it in GPS. It's a very stable little helicopter. It's not fast. That's it. That's all we're going to get. Fly backwards a little bit in GPS mode. It needs to be a very well balanced helicopter. It's flying pretty nice backwards. We're going to get over a little bit, make sure we don't hit anything. Get up. We're going to hit the figure 8 button, this figure 8 switch, and let's see what happens. I believe it's just going to go into a figure 8. I don't have to do anything. It's just going to sit around and fly. So even if I don't know how to fly it, I can just be like, Everybody think I'm really good at making figure 8s. Same switch, we're going to hit the circle function. Let's get a little bit further. Alright, we're hitting the circle function. Now that's pretty cool. It does a little circle, keeps the nose kind of pointed in the same direction. I don't really see the point in either one of these features. I really don't. This thing doesn't have a camera on it. It's not a drone, but I guess technically it is. It just looks like a helicopter. But so there you go. If you want to just stand here and watch it do that, you can do that. I'm going to take it out of that. We're going to put it in some mode. What mode is this? Okay, that's return to home mode. The switch on the far right, you take it all the way down, that's return to home, and it's gonna land itself. We all know how that works, right? I'm not doing anything. We're gonna go ahead and hit the controls, take it out of that. All right, we're gonna put it in manual mode, high rates. So this should be, and it's still sitting awfully still to be in manual mode. Okay, there's manual mode. All right, so this should be all we're gonna get out of this helicopter. Let's see what it can do. Start off kind of slow. Very smooth controls, guys. I have to give it that. It's got some quality components in it, metal rotor heads and stuff. It's not something you're gonna get out here and flip upside down and do tricks with, but very, very, very smooth on the controls. This transmitter is not like your typical cheap toy helicopter transmitter. It's way better. I think that's all we're going to get out of it. It's not real fast, but for as smooth as it is, I'm really digging it. It has dual brushless motors, so it should be very durable and last quite a while. There we go. I think we're in GPS mode now. We had to also put this switch over here in auto instead of manual. So we are back in GPS mode. Let's get it way out there. And it's not responding to the controls at all. Right? What's up with that? I don't know. It's sitting there in GPS mode, but it will not move. Huh. So let's put it in non-GPS mode. It starts dropping down. It looks like it's wanting to land or something. I don't know. It's acting all crazy. We're going to get it back over here. That was slightly weird and I can't explain it. Let's get it down low. See if we can just do some low flybys. Nope. All right, that is actually the end of the battery right there. It kicked itself into return to home mode. This is not the most expensive transmitter in the world, but these sticks right here are smooth and the controls operate smoothly on the helicopter. Cool helicopter. I like this one, and I'm going to keep it. So until next time, you two, get out and fly some. I guess I forgot to mention it's got this cool little case. This is probably half of the value of it is the fancy case, but it is nice. Transmitter just, well, you got to fold the antennas in. Transmitter sits right down in there. You can fold the blades in, pointing towards the back of the helicopter like this, and then the helicopter just sits right down in there. And then we can put this foam right over the top of the transmitter. I'm sorry, the controller. And there you go. Nice little portable helicopter. So definitely going to be keeping this one, guys.